So the area in which I do this hobby in, I call the S.E.R, stands for Security Experiment Room, and that is in a garage. And in order to get in that garage, there is a door with a lock on it. A lot of this fire alarm equipment and other items in the garage is very expensive, so I try and keep the door locked as much as possible. But coming in and out of the garage, as often as I do, can kind of make always keeping the garage door locked difficult. Sometimes I have to bring a key, or if I forget the key, then I have to open up the garage door, and especially in the winter, I end up letting a lot of the heat out when I do that. So to solve that problem today, I have this. It is a Schlage keypad door lever lock. It's pretty simple. You just enter in a passcode and it unlocks the door. That way I don't have to have a key and I don't have to open up the garage if I want to get in. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I install this today, and we'll see how it works once it's installed. So here's the door currently. As you can see, it's just a simple door lock. It's not even a bolt. And all we need to do right now is remove this knob so that we can install the new one. Uninstalling this should be fairly simple. Just 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and 2 screws there. Unscrew them all and it all should come out. Alright, as you can see, the old doorknob has been completely taken apart, and now we'll go ahead and unbox the new one and see how to install it. Here's everything we get in the box, and now it's just a matter of putting it all together on the door. Alright, so first things first, we're going to install this latch, and the important thing to remember is to make sure that this angled part faces towards the door jamb, so that way when you close the door it locks. Like that. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and install the strike into the door jamb. Once again, this is really simple, it's just 2 screws. There we go. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and take the keypad. We're going to line it up to the latch and just make sure this wire runs under the latch, and then it will eventually go into the base plate, which is right here. So there we go, just like that, the keypad's installed, and then we'll go ahead and make sure this wire goes through the correct hole, and then it's called the hands-free post, which it's like a little screw that just holds it in place for now. So this was the hands-free post I was talking about. All it's doing right now is just holding both these pieces together so that we can finish the install. So right now it's really simple. All we have to do is connect these 2 wires so that we can plug in the battery, and then we can plug in the battery, and then all we have to do is tuck in all these wires behind this tab so that when we put the next piece on, it does not pinch any of the wires. There we go, we have all the wires tucked in so that they don't pinch. The battery's installed, and now all we have to do is take the handle and line it up. This part can be a little tricky. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that this whole configuration is level with the side of the door, so that way when we screw in these last 2 screws, it doesn't look all crooked. There we go, it's installed nice and tight. You may have already noticed that these handles are not the right direction, so we'll go ahead and fix that. There's a little pin that comes with the box. All you have to do is insert the pin onto the side. There's a little hole for it, and then you should be able to take the handle out, and then you can reposition it the right way. Here we go. And we'll go ahead and do the same for this side. It's facing the wrong direction. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and program in the code that I want saved for this unit. So to do that, I have to enter in the programming code, which it's different for every unit, so I'm not going to show you what my code is. Alright, and then I'm going to press this top button here, press 1, and then I'm going to enter in my new code. And then I'm going to enter it in again. So now the code is saved as 1234. We'll go ahead and test it out. There we go. The door is unlocked. So far I'm really happy with this door handle. As you can see, it was very easy to install and it makes life a little easier. So thank you for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day, everyone.